Today is Tuesday, April 20th. This is the 1974 Cadillac Coupe de Ville power door lock actuating solenoid. This is for my friend Tim Kern in Iowa. This is the 879-1128-R, and I opened up the unit and did a complete restoration of it. The unit was seized and did not function, and now it's probably better than originally shipped from the factory, having been fully disassembled and polished and reassembled. So I'll go ahead and do a functional validation test. I'll apply power to the retracting polarity, retraction, extension, retraction, extension, retraction, extension. And you can see it's a very powerful snapping, actuating motion. Okay, and this is the 879-1128-R. The compatible mating unit for the other side is the 879-1129-L. So this is George in Florida. I have over 75,000 original vintage parts from 1967 to 1970. Over 375,000 original vintage Cadillac items from 1959 all the way to 1978. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, steering columns, power seat mechanisms, power window switches, power door lock solenoids, the power seat mechanisms, and other critical hard-to-source original vintage Cadillac items. Today is Tuesday, April 20th. This is George in Florida. Thank you very kindly.